Hey all, it's Deanna. Hey, it's been quite a while since I made a video, and I'm gonna do a short one here of a little opening I have. I have a bargain big box, but I don't know that I'm gonna open December's on camera this time. Just because of time, and also because of space on my phone. I have so many apps that I work because I do gig work, and they take up a lot of space. And if I do a video, a big enough video, I have to delete take all of my apps off and then put them back, and it's quite a pain, I should say. Uh-oh. I was trying to, I need those scissors. What am I doing? So anyway, this is from Paparazzi Pirate Pretties, Angela Powell, I believe. She had some stuff on the Facebook page for sale. And I've had this about a week now. I just hadn't had time to open it. Between work and making some jewelry. I have a hairdresser who had wanted 3. Now it's 4. She has 3 of them, and I've got to make a 4th one. Memory wire bracelets. So and those take forever to make, so I do not video wire a memory bracelet. They take me a long time trying to get them to look like they're not just a hot mess. That there's actually some kind of pattern, kind of, but not. So I've been kind of busy. And in fact, I'm going to work on another memory wire bracelet for her today. Anyway, this is a free little gift she sent. Excuse me. It's a just a little toggle. Just a little bitty toggle. I didn't order a whole lot from her. Check pinch beads. These are not resealable, so I'm not going to open them at the moment. But they're like a brown with a shimmery middle. They're just like they took this bead and went beep. Check faceted round 6mm Alexandrite. These came from Potomac Beads, but she sold them. A lot of these were 50 cents a piece. I think most of it was. She doesn't send a invoice, but check dome beads, Jet Picasso, 14 by 8mm. Well, I'm glad that I was fixing to say those look like cabs, but there is a hole in them. They're different. They look almost like a little candy decoration for a cake or something. Just because of their shape, not their color. Check faceted rounds, 3mm baby blue luster. These are little and pretty. Let me keep those out and use those in this other bracelet. And these two. I made one. Okay, it's a hairdresser. I have a hairdresser, and she ordered 2 bracelets for 2 memory wire bracelets for Secret Santa stuff. Check round 6mm. There's no color, but they're the bluish, greenish Anyway, so I made those. And then one of her, I think it's her boss, also ordered one for her Secret Santa. Check Festive Rondelle Beads Light Sapphire 3x5mm. Those are pretty. Those might work with that too. And I made them. 2 of them were like just all different colors. Reds, yellows, oranges, blues. Different colors of orange, different colors of blues. You know, just all kinds of, just colorful, flamboyant, as she said. And then one I made that was more muted tones of browns and I think some mustardy color and dark red. And anyway, her that's the one that her boss got for her Secret Santa. And my hairdresser said her boss fell in love with those muted colors, so she wants to buy her boss a bracelet of muted colors. So anyway, if that made sense. Let's see, Sharp Triangle Matte Patina. Matte metallic, I guess that's metallic patina. There's no size on them. They're little. 2 or 3mm probably. 2 maybe, because these are 3. I liked these. They were different. I certainly have nothing like that. Okay, y'all. That's that one. I told you it was small. And I don't know if I'll open this Bargain Bee box on camera or not. Most likely not, because they're just time consuming and everybody's probably seen it by now on TV, on YouTube. So, and I've seen it on YouTube, and I feel kind of about it. So, I'll just use what I can out of it and not open it up on. Did I get everything out of there? Yeah. Okay. Well, y'all have a Merry Christmas. Because this is December the 17th, I think. I might make a video of making a couple of bracelets. My boyfriend, at his job, one of the people in the department he works in, she and her boyfriend have 2 kids, 2 little girls, and he's talking about giving them a bracelet to give to their kids for Christmas. So, it's 2 girls, and I'm going to see if I can figure out. I have something in mind, because I don't know the little girls, I don't know their favorite colors or anything like that. So, I'm thinking turtles and mermaids. So, we will see. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one. And if I don't get that video made before Christmas, y'all have a Merry Christmas and take care. And thanks for watching my videos as usual. And subscribing. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe if you want. Like the video. Share my videos. Help my channel grow. My channel's grown by several people, even though I haven't had a video in probably a month or 2. So, anyway, I'll quit babbling so I can get to work on this memory wire bracelet. Y'all have a good one now. Bye.